Hello, my loving future doctors. How are you? I hope you are all well. I am also well. Let's start our class. No tension for exam. Mendel's laws of inheritance. Number 1. Among the 7 pairs of contrasting traits related to flower, pod, and seed, respectively, were option A 2 2 2, option B 2 2 1, option C 1 2 2, option D 1 1 2. Question number 2. The color based contrasting traits in 7 contrasting pairs studied by Mendel in pea plant were 1 2 3 4. Right answer A, right answer C. Number 3. Dash pairs of contrasting traits were studied by Mendel in pea plant 6 7 8 10 7. Some of the dominant traits studied by Mendel were option A round seed shape, green seed color, and axial flower position. B terminal flower position, green pod color, and inflated pod shape. C violet flower color, green pod color, and round seed shape. D wrinkled seed shape, yellow pod color, and axial flower position. Right answer C violet flower color, green pod color, and round seed shape. Number 5. Refer to the given table of contrasting traits in pea plants studied by Mendel. Character, dominant trait, recessive trait. Number 1. Seed color, yellow, green. Flower color, violet, white. Pod shape, full, constricted. Flower position, axial, terminal. Which of the given traits is correctly placed? A 1, 2 and 3 only. B 2, 3 and 4 only. C 2 and 3 only. D 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right answer D. Which of the following characters was not chosen by Mendel? A pod shape, B pod color, C position of flower, D position of pod. Right answer D. Dash code for a pair of contrasting traits of same gene. A dominant genes, B alleles, C linked genes, D recessive genes. Right answer B. A recessive allele is expressed in A heterozygous condition only, B homozygous condition only, C F3 generation, D both homozygous and heterozygous conditions. Right answer homozygous condition only. The characters which appear in the first filial generation are called A recessive characters, B dominant characters, C Hollandric characters, and D lethal characters. Right answer B dominant characters. What will be the distribution of phenotypic features in the first filial generation after a cross between a homozygous female and a heterozygous male for a single locus? A 3:1, B 1:2:1, C 1:1, D none of these. Right answer C 1:1. Cross between a homozygous female and a heterozygous male. Number 11. In a monohybrid cross between two heterozygous individuals, percentage of pure homozygous individuals obtained in F1 generation will be A 25%, B 50%, C 75%, D 100%. Right answer B 50%. On crossing of two heterozygous tall plants, heterozygous, capital T small t, A total of 500 plants were obtained in F1 generation. What will be the respective number of tall and dwarf plants obtained in F1 generation? A 375 tall, 125 dwarf. B 250 tall, 250 dwarf. C 475 tall, 25 dwarf. D 350 tall, 150 dwarf. Read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement 1. Test cross is used to determine an unknown genotype within one breeding generation. Statement 2. Test cross is a cross between F1 hybrid and dominant parent. Option A. Both statements 1 and 2 are correct. Option B. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. C. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. D. Both statements 1 and 2 are incorrect. Which of the following will result when plant Y, capital R, small r is self-pollinated? A. 9:3:3:1 ratio of phenotypes only. B. 9:3:3:1 ratio of genotypes only. C. 1:1:1:1 ratio of phenotypes only. D. 1:1:1:1 ratio of phenotypes and genotypes. Right answer A. 9:3:3:1 ratio of phenotypes only. Next, which of the following is correct for the condition when plant Y, capital R, small r is crossed with the double recessive parent? Double recessive মানে হবে কি y, small r. A. 9:3:3:1 ratio of phenotypes only. B. 9:3:3:1 ratio of genotypes only. C. 1:1:1:1 ratio of phenotypes only. D. 1:1:1:1 ratio of phenotypes and genotypes. Right answer D. 1:1:1:1 ratio of phenotypes and genotypes. Law of independent assortment can be explained with the help of dihybrid cross, test cross, back cross, monohybrid cross. Dihybrid cross. Mendel's work was rediscovered by 3 scientists in the year A. 1865, B. 1900, C. 1910, D. 1920. Right answer B. 1900. Which 3 scientists independently rediscovered Mendel's work? A. Avery, MacLeod, McCarthy. B. Sutton, Morgan and Bridges. C. Bateson, Punnett and Bridges. D. De Vries, Correns and Shermack. Right answer D. De Vries, Correns and Shermack. Experimental verification of chromosomal theory of inheritance was done by A. Sutton and Boveri, B. Morgan et al., C. Henking, D. Carl Correns. Right answer B. Morgan et al. Polygenic inheritance. In polygenic inheritance, many genes govern a single character. B. Heterozygous organisms express only one allele itself. C. Heterozygous organisms express both alleles. D. A single cell influences many characters. Right answer A. Many genes govern a single character. Next, which one of the following is an example of polygenic inheritance? Skin color in humans. Next, flower color in Mirabilis jalapa. C. Production of male honeybee. D. Pod shape in garden pea. Right answer, skin color in humans. A. Okay, thank you. Love you all. All the best.